OBJFunKids. Hi, friends. Today we're learning shapes. Yay! A circle is round and has no corners. A triangle has 3 sides. A rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Stars have 5 points and sparkle in the sky. A heart means love and kindness. So, friends, let's sing together.
Circle, circle, round and bright, rolling, rolling, what a sight. Square, square, nice and neat, 4 same sides, oh so sweet. Triangle with 1, 2, 3, 3 sharp corners, look and see. Rectangle long, rectangle short, sides of 2 kinds, what a fun report. Star shape shining in the night, 5 little points that glow so bright. Heart shape full of love to share, hearts show kindness everywhere.
So, friends, let's sing together. A is for angle, sharp or wide. B is for ball, a circle that rolls. C is for circle, round and fun. D is for door, rectangle shape. E is for edge, shapes have edges. F is for frame, squares and rectangles. G is for geometry, shape science. H is for heart, full of love. I is for icicle, triangle shape. J is for jewels, many shapes. K is for kite, diamond shape. L is for leaf, oval shape. M is for moon, crescent shape. N is for nest, circle shape. O is for oval, stretched circle. P is for pizza slice, triangle. Q is for quarter circle, curved corner. R is for rectangle, long and short sides. S is for star, 5 points. T is for triangle, 3 sides. U is for umbrella, dome shape. V is for vase, curved shape. W is for window, square or rectangle. X is for X shape, 2 lines cross. Y is for yolk, circle and an egg. Z is for zigzag lines.
Great job learning shapes!
See you next time!